Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I finally received my Qbbeautybar hair and I'm just excited. Hey you guys, as y'all can see, I'm in the car. I just picked up my package, so I'm on my way home now. I hope my phone don't fall but yes, so I'm on my way home. I'm gonna open my package. We're gonna see what all this hair is about. We gonna see what QB got to offer. It didn't take long for my package to get here. I ordered my hair, I want to say last weekend probably. She had like some difficulties with the shipping. It probably was due to COVID-19, which was fine because I still wanted my hair. So she still ended up being able to send it. And even with the delays, my hair still came fast. Only thing is, I'm happy that I didn't have to like anywhere to go. Ooh, it's falling. I'm happy I didn't have anywhere to go, because then I would have been stuck and mad because I want my hair. So y'all, I'm home. I'm currently parking. Okay, so I have finally received my Qbbeautybar hair and I am so excited because it's such a big hype. Like, it's so much talk about this Qbbeautybar hair, and at this point I'm tired of being left out. Okay, I'm tired of it. Like, I have been waiting to finally find the perfect time to order this hair, so now I'm just gonna unpackage it. It's like, leave a review for her hair, period. My hair, like I said before, it didn't take long to come. There was like technical difficulties because of the COVID, so really can't really blame her. And there were so many orders going out, so this is not her official packaging, y'all. It's just she really wanted me to get my hair, so she just put it in this for now. I'm pretty sure she got some real cute packaging because my good sis don't play. So let's see. I need my wig because I look so up. Ooh. Oh, these cards are really cute. Y'all look. And this is the hair. I ordered I know it's a full lace. I think I ordered a 28-inch. Am I the only one who keeps these nets for my wigs? Like, cause they're cheap, but like, it keeps my wig intact. So, this is how, so yes, I got a full lace. Y'all can see this is the inside, the web. It's already got like some baby hairs. Look for it. I wanted a long curly lace. This looks so short though, that's the only thing. Every time I order wigs, I feel like they look so short until I install them. So I'm gonna have to see, because this don't look like 28 inches. I think either I ordered a 28 or a 30 because I'm short, so I always say I'm gonna do 28. Yeah, I got a 28-inch. I don't know now. This don't look like 28, but it's curly hair, so we'll see. The hair is really soft. Like, I'm running my fingers through this hair and it's not getting knotted up at all. Like, wow. Curly hair, usually it take a little bit of time for it to actually be like how you want it to be. I just took it out of the package and it's already, what? Do y'all see this? So pretty. So pretty. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be giving the girl a Spanish mommy when I put this wig on, because honey, this hair feels really good. Oh, seriously. When I started, I was like, you know what? I know this is my friend. This is my friend who sells this hair, y'all. She is very professional though. She knows what she's doing. But I was like, you know, I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna just be real. But like, Dang, this hair is really good. Mind you, this is my first time ordering from Qbbeautybar. I don't think I've ever had their hair before. I usually, like, I don't want it to come out wrong, but I never really ordered from Quay before. So this hair feels really good. Really, really good. So I will be making a video on the install of how to install my lace and like when I do it. So that'll be the next video that y'all can tune into. But for the most part, this hair looks really good. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up on the actual lace. This is the inside. Hold on. I don't usually use the combs, but I'm gonna leave them in there because I don't know. So obviously you're gonna have to tint your lace, you know, but this lace is very good and it's a strong lace too. I'm very satisfied. Wow. I just keep saying wow. This hair is, wow, this is good. The only thing, my only concern is that it just looks short, but I usually have that problem when I get my laces. Like I said, when I first order my hair, I always feel like the hair is too short because it's not on your actual head, so you don't know. You just never know. But we're gonna see when I install it. Y'all see how it's poofing up? Trust me, when you put that water on there, it's gonna come right back to life. But like the fact that the curl, like it's curly hair and I could just run my finger straight through it, that just goes to show this is some good hair. So as far as shedding, it is shedding just a little bit. Not like as crazy as curly hair usually would shed. That's normal for curly hair though. Like, especially with full lace wigs. Full lace wigs, it'll tend to shed more because it's a full lace. It's no tracks in there. So the hair is connected literally to just lace. And then with it being curly hair, you're doing more to pull your fingers through it. I don't know, like with curly hair, you're bound to have hair come out. But even see, I'm running my fingers through it now and there's nothing in my fingers, but it sheds just a little bit. It's curly hair though, so it's gonna do that. It's gonna shed just a little bit. It's not nothing crazy. Like a smell, it has a smell. Nothing like, it just smells like hair. I don't know. No, it just smells like hair. It just smells like regular hair. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. I never bought hair that didn't smell like nothing. So I always wash my hair anyway, so I'm gonna wash it before I install it. But for the most part, it's beautiful hair. Thank you, Qbbeautybar. I really appreciate it. I will be ordering some more hair because I already fell in love with this hair. So y'all should go follow her on Instagram, hit up her DMs, and ask her more questions about her hair.